Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Happy Hand and Tails. This is day 10 of our 12 days 10 series. Today we are going to discuss about future continuous tense. Future continuous tense is used to describe the actions that will be happening at a specific time in the future. Means वो काम जो future में होगा किसी specific time पर. जैसे कि आज रात 9 बजे मेरा favorite show आ रहा होगा. Or we can say they will be playing cricket all afternoon. For affirmative sentences means positive sentences in the future continuous tense. The structure we will use is subject plus will be plus verb plus ing plus object. For example, I will be studying at 8 p.m. tomorrow. मैं कल 8 बजे पढ़ रही होंगी. For making negative sentences, we will just add not with will to make it sound negative. Like, she will not be working in the office next week. Means वो अगले week से office में काम नहीं कर रही होगी. If we want to make interrogative or question type sentences, then the sentence will start with will plus subject plus be plus verb plus ing plus object. Then question mark at the end. For instance, will they be playing football in the park? क्या वो पार्क में खेल रहे होंगे? Let's talk about uses of future continuous tense. This tense is used to talk about the action in progress at future time. For example, at 10 am tomorrow, I will be traveling to Toronto. कल 10 बजे मैं टोरंटो जा रही होंगी. Other use of this tense is when we are talking about planned future activity. कोई activity जो future में करने का plan किया हो. जैसे कि वो कल रात लेट तक काम कर रही होगी. She will be working late tomorrow. Most common use of future continuous tense is when we ask someone's plan formally or politely. Like, will you be joining us for dinner tonight? क्या आज रात आप हमारे साथ dinner करोगे? Future continuous tense is used for parallel actions in the future. Means two actions happening parallel to each other at the same time and in the future. For example, at this time next week, we will be flying to Paris and they will be waiting at the airport. Means next week हम पेरिस जा रहे होंगे और वो एयरपोर्ट पर वेट कर रहे होंगे. Mostly used keywords for future continuous tense are at this time tomorrow, next week, next month, year, while, during, all day, all night, all week, still, when plus future action, in the evening, in the morning, tomorrow afternoon, and so on. For better understanding, let's compare present continuous with future continuous. Present continuous talks about actions happening right now means अभी इस time जो काम चल रहा है, whereas future continuous describes the action that will be happening in the future at a specific time. That means future में जो काम किसी specific या खास time पर हो रहा होगा. Example, मैं खाना खा रही हूँ. और future tense में बोलेंगे कि मैं 2 बजे खाना खा रही होंगी. Most important part, practice of future continuous tense by solving this worksheet and testing yourself. Give your answers in the comment box and we will check the answers together. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos. See you for next session.